because it comes.
Happy Hanukkah.
Happy Hanukkah.
I was coloring at my window.
Oh, you saw me drive in?
I was really confused what I wasn't gonna say anything.
She cheated! Her window's right there.
But thank you. I didn't. Don't cry.
I'm not crying.
Yes, you are.
Go look at it. No, right? And you might not want to park. They might not want to park that nice little Infiniti all close to my driveway now, right? Like, well, it's for us, yeah.
Wow. I can shoot my music video.
Or you could just. What's the picture?
It looks good.
That's kind of new.
It's kind of new.
Maybe.
Take it back.
Just take it back. Take it back. Take it back. There's something sticky. Take it back. Something sticky.
Thank you.
Would you like to get in and drive it?
Sure.
It's probably easier to drive it.
Yeah. Want to check it out?
Got cup holders.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Got cup holders.
Hey, bro.
Cup holders. It's got cup holders. Oh, it's got an outlet in the back.
There's no USB in the back that I could find, but Bugs, you need to stay. You stay. Stay. Good boy. Good boy.
Wow, and look at the space. It's so special. Thank you.